Understanding, Beg the Question, a guide to English idioms. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms, specifically the phrase, beg the question. This phrase is often misunderstood, so let's explore its true meaning and usage. Whether you're a language learner or just curious about English expressions, this video is for you. The phrase, beg the question, has its roots in philosophical argument. Originally, it referred to a logical fallacy known as petitio principii, where the speaker assumes a statement to be true without providing evidence. In simpler terms, it means to assume the conclusion of an argument as a way of arguing something is true. In modern usage, beg the question is often mistakenly used to mean raise the question or prompt a question. This is a shift from its original philosophical meaning. It's important for learners to recognize both usages, but understand that in formal contexts, the original meaning is usually preferred. 1. Original meaning. Saying that everyone wants the new phone because it's popular begs the question. It assumes what it's trying to prove. 2. Common misuse. The company's sudden closure begs the question. What will happen to its employees? To use, beg the question, correctly. Understand the context. Is it a formal argument or a casual conversation? If you mean to point out a logical fallacy, use begs the question. If you intend to indicate that something raises a new question, consider using phrases like raises the question or leads to the question instead. Beg the question is a fascinating example of how language evolves and how meanings can shift over time. Understanding both the original and modern usages can enrich your English learning journey. We hope this video has shed light on this intriguing idiom. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.